everyone. I'm Clea Mahoney, and I'm so excited to be one of your facilitators for the OLC workshop on strategies for facilitating live online sessions. Welcome, and I'm glad you're here. I entered the world of online meetings in the fall of 2016 to meet a specific need for my institution, which was training adjunct instructors on how to use our university's learning management system. Now, if you've ever worked with an adjunct or if you are an adjunct yourself, you know that it's nearly impossible, if not downright impossible, to show up for in-person workshops or trainings on this type of thing. So I pivoted to webinars as a way of just reaching my learners, the people who I needed to successfully use specific platforms and technologies. In preparing to deliver and facilitate those types of online trainings myself, I thought back to my own experience as a participant. I've attended a lot of different corporate webinars, information sessions, and in many of those, I was really disappointed by the experience. So what I've tried to do from the very beginning to make sure that my learners are not in that situation, and so that we avoid some of the common pitfalls, is to make each online live session as engaging as possible. I'm really excited to share with you my lessons learned along the way, and I know that I have a lot to learn from you as well. So I'm really looking forward to having that experience together and seeing what we can do to help each other lead better online meetings. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in our course.
Hi everyone, my name is Karen Costa, and I am one of your facilitators for the OLC course, Strategies for Facilitating Live Online Sessions. Welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. I'm really excited to work together. So there's really so much that I want to say about this topic and its importance right now in education and in a variety of fields outside of education. I am really excited about the possibilities of live online sessions. We're seeing more and more of them. So we're going to talk a lot about that in this workshop. What I thought I would share with you in this video, to keep it short, is to give you a little bit of understanding about how I currently facilitate live online sessions and what I see as a need in this field. So I have been teaching since 2006, and I've been teaching online since 2007. So I have been using live online sessions for a long time with students, one-on-one sessions and group sessions with students. I also do a lot of faculty development work. So I use live online sessions to meet one-on-one with faculty, as well as group sessions. I've also hosted webinars for folks from all different types of institutions, sometimes paid, sometimes unpaid. What I think is even more important, though, than that experience that I have in running and facilitating live online sessions is that because I am a fully remote worker, I've been fully remote since 2012, I've been an online student several times, and I really am very active in this online community. I have attended many, many, many live online sessions. And in some ways, I feel that I have learned more from being a participant or a student in live online sessions than in actually facilitating them. One of the things that I've noticed a lot of is that I will attend a live online session and everything is there, all the tools that we need to make a fantastic learning experience. We've got the technology, right? We've got these wonderful tools that allow us to meet face to face, even if we're on the opposite side of the world. We've got that in place. We've got an intelligent, excited facilitator, and we have fantastic content. And sometimes, despite all of those things, our live online sessions are not engaging. And for me as an attendee, that's something that really, it bums me out, you know, because we've got everything we need to make this a super exciting, interesting, engaging learning experience, and it falls flat. And that makes me really sad. So one of the things that I want to do is to help folks get the tools that they need to understand how to craft an engaging live online session, because I think there's so much opportunity there. And we've got these tools, and I think we just need to put them together in a way that helps to engage our learners a little bit more effectively. So that's what I'm passionate about. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the course. I invite you to read my bio, to connect with me in the discussions, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our own live online session for this workshop. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.